I have a few updates for you guys, so let's just get right into it. If this is your first time on my channel, hi! My name is Crystalline, and on this channel we are all about manifesting dreams. My dream is to become a full-time content creator, so I will be posting almost anytime I can, just until I reach my desire. This right here, this is my child. His name is Tokyo. Say hi. He likes people and he likes the camera, but he also really likes to be loved. But let's get into today's video. I basically just have a few updates for you guys, and that is one, I will be trying to get like a regular upload schedule. I'm gonna be looking at my calendar, figuring out when I can consistently upload videos. Obviously all I have to do is record it and then just like schedule it, but it's more so that I've been so busy with like TikTok and creating content for TikTok and growing my TikTok that I sometimes just forget about YouTube. But I want to have a very large audience across all platforms, so I'm working hard on just being consistent with YouTube, and it's a struggle, but so far I've been doing pretty good. Like, I know that I kind of like skip weeks, but I've been uploading, and that's all that matters right now. Update number 2 is that my mystery beauty boxes are available for sale on my Shopify store. The link will be linked down below, but it is Trending Bliss by chris.myshopify.com. The name of the store is called C Collective, but I couldn't change the URL name because once it's set, it's set. So unless I purchase a URL name, that's going to be the URL name for now. I'm not purchasing a URL name at the moment, simply because I just started the store and I want to make it grow before I start really investing tons of money into it. So the mystery boxes are available. There are 2 available. I have the small box, which I believe is, let me just double check. Hold. Okay, so the smaller mystery box is going to be $55, and I also do accept Shop Pay, so you can break up your payments into 4 payments. Tokyo, I am trying to have an important conversation here. You guys can't see him, but he's like, I stopped rubbing him and he gets mad. All right, let it go. Let it go. Okay, so yeah, I have Shop Pay enabled on my website, so if you need to break the payment into 4, you can definitely do that. And then the larger box will be $140. Now keep in mind, because the smaller box is more affordable, there will be obviously less items in it. It is a smaller box, but there will also be like more affordable brands in that box than compared to what I would put in the larger box. Each box is made to order, so when you order the box, I have stuff already. I have some stuff already, not too much. If I have to go out and buy something, I will. But when you order the box, I will literally be packing it, and I will also be recording myself packing it, simply because I want to show you guys that I'm not putting any damaged items in the box. That way, in case you receive something and it's damaged, because like, here's the thing I've learned working in customer service, is that when people receive something and it's damaged, they go straight to the store owner because apparently it's the store owner's fault. But it's not. If you really look it up, if an item is damaged during transit, it is the fault of the carrier. So I'm going to record myself packing everything. That way, if I get a message saying, hey, this arrived to me broken, I can show it to you that I did not pack it broken, and that's something you'll have to take up with your shipping carrier. I feel like a lot of people don't know that. It is not our fault if something arrives broken or if something is damaged during shipment. That is the fault of the carrier. But people assume because they're spending money at the store that we have to fix it. It's not. You take it up with the carrier. Just putting that out there because I've got 50 million issues and I don't need another one. So yeah, those boxes are available, and I hope that you guys buy them and that you like it. So. And my last update is that I have been breaking out like crazy. I have not been wearing any makeup, but I've had huge flare-ups within this area over here and in this area over here. And after talking to my doctor, we are going to be possibly starting Accutane in a month. I've had acne pretty much my whole entire life. I'm 34 right now. I started breaking out when I was about 14. So that's 20 years of just me breaking out. So I'm excited, I'm nervous, you know, I hear things all the time, but you can't let what you hear affect your opinion. I've always wanted clear skin. It's something that I've wanted. Like, who doesn't want clear skin? It's something that I've wanted pretty much my entire life. And Tokyo, I'm trying to have an important conversation. He does not like when you don't give him attention. I don't even remember what I was saying now. I think I was saying that I want clear skin. Oh my god, I say a lot. Yes, but I really do want clear skin. Like, who doesn't want clear skin? Like, I don't think anybody wants to walk around knowing that they don't have clear skin. I think the only people that don't want clear skin are people who like put tattoos on their face, because then your face is not cleared, it's tattooed. But like, who doesn't want, like, I've always just wanted clear skin. I'm tired of breaking out. I get flare-ups pretty much every month. This one has not gone away. It's finally going down, but it has not gone away. But every time I think it's going down, it tends to come right back up. And I've got like another form right over here. So hopefully within a month I will be on my way to a new me with clear skin, and I'm super excited but nervous about it. Also because I've heard you possibly can't get your nails done, and I love getting my nails done. I'm actually supposed to be getting them done soon. And also heard you can't really get eyelash extensions. I do my own lash extensions, so I hope that that's okay. If anybody's ever been on Accutane and you know you're a girly and you like getting your nails and lashes done, please let me know. Yeah, I think that's it for now, you guys. You can follow me on my TikTok. It is, I actually have two, so I have my TikTok and then my TikTok shop. My TikTok, it's crystalline.pena. That is my daily vlog TikTok. And then my TikTok shop is C_trending_collective. It'll be linked down below. It'll also be written on the screen. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.